Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Digital Mural, where we are about to start our graphic designing journey from the very basics. Don't forget to subscribe for more. We're going to be exploring the foundations of graphic design today. Whether you're new to design or just brushing up on your skills, these are the 11 basic principles that every designer should know. So let's get started. Grab a pen and some paper. Balance, unity, contrast. Repetition, pattern, rhythm, movement, emphasis, proportion, harmony, variety. These are the basic principles to be followed to create a professionally balanced composition. First one is balance. Every element that is placed on a page has visual weight. Form, size, color, and texture are just a few examples. A certain scale is required for the elements in a design in order for it to feel balanced or stable. Asymmetrical designs with movement can be visually captivating when balance is achieved. Next is unity. The harmony that each component of a design piece produces is known as unity in design principles. Clearly defining the relationships between visual elements will help you achieve unity. As a general rule, only include an element in your design if it will further the message. Now we have contrast. In order to establish visual hierarchies, contrast is the degree of variation between design elements. Colors, textures, sizes, and shapes can all be used to create contrast. When creating a layout, contrast is used to establish a hierarchy between the font sizes. In repetition, the viewer may find a layout visually appealing if it contains repeating elements. Repeating a single element throughout the design is called repetition. In a brand development project, repetition of design elements such as a logo or tagline can also accomplish repetition. Multiple design elements repeated is referred to as a pattern in design principles. Patterns are made up of several elements that are repeated throughout a design, such as backgrounds and wallpapers, whereas repetition is more focused on a single element. Compared to the earlier design principles of pattern and repetition, rhythm is a more complex concept. When a group of elements are used repeatedly and with variation, they create a visual tempo that evokes the sense of well-organized movement. This is known as rhythm. Seamless patterns are most commonly seen in interior design when tiles are used. In terms of design principles, movement is the route the eye of the observer travels within a piece. Everything in an image has the potential to influence eye movement. The viewer is kept interested in a composition by movement, which adds interest and movement. The purpose of emphasis is to draw the viewer's attention to a particular design element. This could be an image, a button, or a web page. Making something that will differentiate itself from the remainder of the page is the goal. You'll be able to create emphasis as long as you can contrast elements or colors. According to design principles, proportion is the sense of unity that results from each element in a composition having a good relationship with the others. The main concepts of proportion in a comparison of two elements are size and scale. Smaller components are less significant. The sense of unity among the components in a composition is known as harmony, and it is a design principle. Using objects with comparable shapes will promote harmony since they will appear connected. A design cannot be visually interesting if there is not enough or too much harmony. There must be some variation. Creating visual interest in your design is a key component of variety in design principles, as it keeps viewers interested. A strong user experience will result from capturing their interest and directing them through the composition, and is added when geometric and organic shapes are combined. Now let's conclude. A composition is built on the fundamental of art and design. Applying these ideas can provide structure and aid in your comprehension of the construction of other works of art and design. Delivering a clear message involves more than just the content. It also involves using design to make the message visually appealing and easy to understand. From now on, Consider these principles and the ways in which they are being applied when you examine a design composition. You'll be able to figure out what works and what doesn't in even the most complex designs. Thanks for watching and happy designing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more design tips, and share it with your fellow creatives. Thanks for watching and happy designing.